In this video I will show you how to cast or mirror your phone screen in Windows 10 and 11 without any software easily. Your computer must have Wi-Fi support, otherwise casting not working. First go to Settings, projecting this PC, then click Optional Feature. Search here Wireless Display and install Wireless Display. Change some settings from here for casting. Click here to run the Cast app. Now go your phone, select Cast option on your phone. Tap your PC name showing here. See screen mirroring working well. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with friends. Thank you.